Did you know that 80% of people who set out to transform their bodies quit within the first week? Why? Because they don't see results fast enough. But what if I told you that you can start seeing visible changes in just 7 days? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to challenge yourself, push your limits, and kickstart your fitness journey with a 1-week transformation plan designed to help you get a healthier body quickly. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your name, a certified health coach with over 5 years of experience in fitness and wellness. Whether you're looking to gain muscle, lose fat, or just feel better in your body, I'm here to help. I've worked with hundreds of clients who, just like you, were struggling to see changes despite their efforts. Today, I'll share with you a plan that can kickstart your journey in just 1 week. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete, step-by-step guide to achieving a healthier body in 7 days. We'll cover nutrition, workouts, mindset shifts, and recovery strategies to ensure you get the best results possible. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to challenge yourself and see real, tangible progress. Ready? Let's get started. Many people struggle with making noticeable changes to their bodies because they focus on the wrong things. They might work out too hard without giving their body the proper nutrition or recovery it needs. They may also underestimate how much consistency and balance it takes. The issue often lies in a lack of proper planning, not enough structure, or trying to do too much too fast without a solid strategy. Without a solid plan, people often feel burned out, unmotivated, and disappointed when they don't see results quickly. This leads to quitting before real progress can be made. So, if you've ever felt like you're working hard but not seeing changes, you're not alone. But this week, we're going to change all that. I've had clients like David, who was stuck in a plateau and frustrated by his lack of progress. But after just 1 week of following a structured plan with targeted exercises and a balanced meal plan, he started seeing more muscle definition. And then there's Jenna, who needed a quick but sustainable routine to fit into her busy schedule. After following this 1-week challenge, she not only toned up but also felt more energized and motivated to continue her fitness journey. Step-by-step guide, nutrition plan, fuel for results. Start each day with a high-protein breakfast to kickstart your metabolism. Eggs, lean meats, or a protein shake with some healthy fats like avocado or nuts are great options. Lunch should include a lean protein-sourced chicken, turkey, tofu, complex carbs, brown rice, quinoa, and lots of veggies. For dinner, focus on lean protein, vegetables, and a light carb like sweet potatoes. Snacks throughout the day should be a mix of protein and healthy fats. Think Greek yogurt with almonds or a hard-boiled egg. Exercise plan, high-intensity workouts. Day 1, full body height, high-intensity interval training, short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief rest periods. Focus on exercises like burpees, squats, push-ups, and jump lunges. Day 2, upper body strength. Target your arms, shoulders, and chest with resistance training, for example, dumbbell presses, bicep curls, and tricep dips. Day 3, lower body and core. Work your legs and abs with lunges, squats, leg raises, and planks. Day 4, active recovery yoga or stretching. Allow your muscles to recover with a low-intensity yoga session or a full-body stretch routine. Days 5-7, repeat height and strength, focusing on different muscle groups, mindset and recovery. Set small, achievable goals each day. Focus on completing your workouts and staying on track with your meals. Sleep is crucial for recovery. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of sleep each night. Stay hydrated throughout the day, as water plays a key role in muscle function and overall health. Why does this plan work? Let's break it down. HIIT workouts have been proven to increase fat burning and improve cardiovascular health in a short period of time. They create an afterburn effect, meaning your body continues to burn calories long after your workout is over. Additionally, eating protein-rich meals helps repair muscle tissue, which is crucial when you're pushing your body with intense exercise. Fitness expert Dr. Brad Schoenfeld emphasizes that focusing on resistance training, even in short bursts, can improve muscle tone and strength faster than traditional cardio alone. Pair this with a high-protein diet, and you're setting yourself up for success in just 1 week. Meal breakdown charts showing macros for each meal: proteins, carbs, fats. Before and after illustrations of clients who followed the 1-week plan. Infographics showing how HIIT burns fat more effectively compared to other workout types. Show proper form for squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks, explaining how to avoid injury and maximize results. Include a timer on screen for height workout intervals so viewers can follow along in real time. Use split screens to show common mistakes versus proper techniques during exercises like squats or push-ups. Include on-screen text highlighting key points such as calorie burn, protein intake, and recovery tips.